New BYD Tang DM-i released using the same front face as Tang DM-P. In terms of appearance, the new Tang DM-i adopts the same front face shape as the existing Tang DM-P. The nose is a silver plate engraved with the Chinese character Tang. Flat and sharp matrix headlights are installed on both sides. The wide-mouth polygonal air intake grille has been increased in size and the interior is filled with scale elements. Black trim panels lead to longitudinal air intakes on both sides. It looks visually more impressive in combination with the body-colored front paddle at the bottom. The side of the car's body has not changed much. The general stance is tall and slender. The roof line falls back from the B pillar. The sloping and thick D pillar has a special suspension layout and a straight and elegant waistline. Elements such as chrome-plated glass cases sides, chrome side skirts and two-tone 5-spoke wheels are not missing, and the overall texture is excellent. The rear of the car has been mainly modified for the taillight cluster, which is still a crossover-type layout, but the interior light source has been changed to Chinese node style, making it more recognizable. The rear housing has also been changed to have the same design as the DM-P. The black trapezoidal area is where the plate is hung. The C-shaped guidance grooves and red reflective strips on the left and right sides are integrated in a single area and adorned with blacked-out windshields that add a sporty atmosphere. The interior of the model is in lotus gray color and is equipped with a 15.6-inch suspension adaptive central control display, a 12.3-inch full LCD display, a double-spoke, flat-bottomed multifunction steering wheel with turn logo, a dragon in the armrest box area. Kingzixon has an electronic gear lever and is also quite different. The wide and comfortable seats are elegantly embossed, and ambient light strips and yellow trim strips visible throughout further enhance the feeling. In terms of power, the new Tang DM-i will continue to be equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T engine plus drive motor. The engine has a maximum power of 102 kilowatts, and the electric motor with a maximum power of 160 kilowatts is paired with a 21,504 kilowatt-hour battery pack and is fully electric. Cruising range is 112 kilometers. In terms of chassis, the new Tang DM-i's rear suspension is still 3-link. For reference, the official guide price of the current Tang DM is 209,800 to 309,800 yuan.